Success factor number 2, eat every 3 to 4 hours, hungry or not. Your meal plan will consist of 6 meals each day, meals every 3 to 4 hours, unless it is difficult to manage or adapt into your lifestyle, in which case accommodations will be made for a 5-meal schedule. A typical meal plan schedule might look like this: breakfast, 6 a.m., snack, 9 a.m., lunch, 12 p.m., snack, 3 p.m., dinner, 6 p.m., snack, 9 p.m. The word snack doesn't necessarily refer to a smaller meal, but rather refers to a meal that is before or after traditional meals such as a breakfast, lunch, or dinner. This increased frequency in eating will require you to break the mental paradigm of 3 square meals a day. This is critical to your success. Smaller, more frequent meals should intuitively make sense. Our bodies were designed to eat every 2.5 to 4 hours as suggested by babies' eating patterns. Babies continue to eat this frequently until we change their pattern. Why is it important? Eating every 3 to 4 hours, hungry or not, may provide your body with benefits including repairing and increasing metabolism, stabilizing blood sugar to alleviate or eliminate cravings and binge eating, keeping a positive nitrogen balance to avoid losing muscle mass, and managing blood glucose levels to improve energy. For more information on success factor number 2, eating every 3 to 4 hours, please consult your nutrition coach.